Dear students, today I am going to tell you about successor and the predecessor of a natural number or whole number. Whole number question, exercise 1.1, exercise 1.1, question number 4. Question number 4. At first, I give you a description, give you a definition of of successor and predecessor. Successor, successor, successor. On adding, on adding, on adding one to, on adding one to, on adding one to a number, on adding one to a number, one to a number, we get next number. We get next number or adding one to a number, we get next number. The next number is called the successor of the given number. This is the definition of successor. Successor means अगली संख्या, आगे की संख्या. So if you have to find the successor of any number, you will add 1 to this number. Adding 1 to a number, we get next number. The next number is called the successor of the given number. And one is predecessor. Predecessor means पूर्ववर्ती संख्या, पहले की संख्या. Predecessor, predecessor. Predecessor means पूर्ववर्ती संख्या. On subtracting one from a given number, we find another number. This number is called predecessor. Predecessor is called predecessor of the given number. if you are asked if you are asked to find the predecessor of a number, then you will subtract 1 from the given number. After subtracting, you will find a number, and this number will be called predecessor of the given number. So if you have to ask successor and predecessor, for successor you will add 1 to the given number, and to find the predecessor you will subtract 1 from the given number. Now, question number 4 is given, write the successor of the following numbers. Question number 4.1. Question number 4.1. Write the successor of the following numbers 5, 8, 8, 9. Write the successor. Write the successor of the following number. Write the successor of the following number. Following numbers: A 1, 5, 8, 8, 9. 5, 8, 8, 9. The successor of 5, 8, 8, 9 is equal to 5, 8, 8, 9 plus 1 बराबर 5,890. On adding 1 to 5889, we get 5890. So 5890 is the successor of 589. Similarly, you will solve 3 number question 899. 4 number question 9930. You will solve it. Question number 5. Question number 5 is write the predecessor of the following numbers. Question number 5. Write the predecessor. Write the predecessor of the following numbers. Following numbers. Question number 1000. 1000. You will write predecessor. Answer. The predecessor of 100. By definition, we know that on subtracting 1 from a given number, we get the another number. This number is called predecessor. So subtracting 1 from given number, we get, subtracting 1 from 1000, we get a number 999, which is predecessor of 1000. So to find the predecessor, you will subtract 1 from the given number, and 2, 3, 4, 5. I am writing for you 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 number question. 3 number. Four number question. 4 number. Do same as 1 number question. You will solve you have to write the predecessor of the given numbers 2, 3, 4. This question for you. Question number 6. Question number 6. Question number, now I am going to tell you about question number 6. Question number 6 is there any digit whose place value and face value are the same? You have to ask, is there any digit whose place value and face value are the same? So you will write yes answer and write the digit. You will write 0. Question number 6 में answer will be yes or digit 0, because the place value and face value of 0 is 0. You have to ask that is the place value and face value of a number is same. So you will write yes. If you have to give the number, then you will write 0. Question number 7. Find the place value and the face value of the indicated digits in the following number. Question number 7. Write the place value and face value and the face value of the indicated digits. Write the place value and face value of the indicated digits in the digits. Question number 1 is question number 53720. 53720. 53720. Write the place value. We have to find the place value of 7 and face value. You have to find the place value and face value of underlined digit 7. The place value of 7 is equal to 7 into 100 बराबर 700. The face value the face value of 7 is equal to 7, because the face value of a digit is its numerical value. So the face value of 7 is equal to 7, and the place value of 7 is equal to 7 and 8. In this process, you can solve the next questions. Next question is 81,583. 81,583. 583. 583. 74583. 2, 3, 4 number you will solve. I wrote this question for you. Do same as one number. Do same as one number. Question you will solve this number. So at first you multiply, and that after multiplying you add. 8 number question. Question number 8. Question number 8. 8 number question is, write the corresponding numeral. Write the corresponding numeral. Write the corresponding numeral for each of the following. For each of the following. One number question is 3 into 10,000 plus 2 into 1,000 plus 2 into 1,000 plus 6 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 5 into 1. At first multiply 3 to 10,000. We get 30,000. Multiplying 2 by 1,000, we get 2,000. Again multiplying 6 by 100, we get 600 plus 70 plus 5. Now add. Adding we get 5, 7, 6, 2, 3. This is your answer. Similarly, you will solve 2, 3, 4, 5 number. I write question 2. Next questions, which is given in your book, and if you have any problem, then you can ask me in the next class.